The next is Mr. Gary Nicklason. He is an American middle school teacher at Yokota Air Base in Japan.
A new prediction was recently published in a June 27th story by CNN News. The National Snow and Ice Data Center in Boulder, Colorado has again revised previous predictions of when we might see an ice-free North Pole. They said that North Pole could be ice-free for the first time in human history by as early as September 2008. Senior research scientist Dr. Mark Cerise was quoted as saying, "The situation is just astounding." Dr. Mark Cerise went on to say, "If you talked to me or other scientists just a few years ago, we were saying that we might lose all or most of the summer sea ice cover by anywhere from 2050 to 2100. September of 2008 is, as Dr. Cerise puts it, astounding." Dr. Mark Cerise goes on to say that the scientists who still maintain that the Arctic meltdown is just part of an historic cycle are wrong. To those scientists, he says it's a situation where we hate to say we told you so, but we told you so.
Yeah, that's right.
I understand that you sounded the SOS warning long before these recent scientific predictions. Can you please comment on this new prediction that the North Pole may be ice-free by as early as September 2008?
Yes, Mr. Nicholson. Yes, it has already begun. And some scientists recently had to be airlifted out of the carved-in pole ice situation. And luckily they were rescued in time, because the ice around them started to melt and their station has become endangered. So I provided you now the information. The Russian scientists were forced to leave their polar station due to global warming. On the first, Russian polar researchers and their 2 dogs even have to be rescued from their camp on a rapidly melting ice floe. Camp North Pole number 35 was set up in September 2007 only, recently, with the original intention of staying until late August 2008. But however, the early arrival of melting season in 2008, along with the camp's ice floe currently drifting toward a warmer water current, has placed the scientists and the dogs' lives in danger. So they have been rescued by helicopter. We thank God for the safety of Russian researchers and the 2 dogs as well. I think we better heed the warning of the scientists, because otherwise it's not just the ice melt, huh? Maybe we will melt also. I hope not. I hope not. And we're working frantically toward saving the planet. So if we go vegetarian, our good karma of saving lives will in turn reward us with our life saved. That's all I can say. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for that information.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Supreme Master Ching Hai.
It's quicker than we think, the ice melting.